I've learnt a bit of a lesson, a valuable lesson, and I want you all to learn this lesson with me. Happy Sunday, people. Good morning, how are we all? Hope you're having a lovely weekend. I, on the other hand, I'm working. I just had a call from a guy. I was actually on my way to another job to do a repair, which I'll try and record that. But literally, as I was about to walk out the door to go there, I've just had a guy phone me to say he's locked himself out. So, yeah, gonna go there, get him in quickly, and then go to this other job. So, obviously, I don't show lockout, so I won't be able to show you this one. It sounds like it's going to be an easy one though, so I should only be here a couple of minutes to get him in, and then down to the other job in Hove. I'll see you at that one. There you go, it's that one done. That was lovely, nice and easy. I was supposed to be at my first job for 10:30, and because of that, I think I'm going to be about 5 minutes late. But I did say around 10:30, so I've kind of given myself a little bit of leeway there. But yeah, I'm going to try and put the picture up here somewhere. Getting all technical now, and I try and put the picture up here of what the guy sent me when he asked for a price to repair this door. So the night latch keep or strike plate has come off of the door, and there's a bit of damage to the door frame as well. So got a little bit of making good to do as well. But yeah, as you just saw, hopefully. Right, see you there. So we've got a repair on there. Put the strike plate back on. And this bit of timber is what split off, so I'm going to glue it back on. A bit of filler. Get it back on. That's that bit glued back on with the right fix. I've just noticed this bit was loose up here as well, so I'm going to glue that. Let's have that back on. Just testing if it's working on this. Let's put a bit of filler down there. A bit of filler in there, that's it. Filler in there, just wait for that to dry, and I'll just give it a bit of sand. There we go. I've learnt a bit of a lesson, a valuable lesson, and I want you all to learn this lesson with me. So this guy, when he sent me the picture through, he asked me for a rough idea of cost. And I said, look, because I'm pricing it from a picture, you know, I wasn't physically able to go there. I said, because I'm pricing it from a picture, it'll be 95 to 120, right? So £95, £120. I don't know. I did the job. He was really happy. And he said, 100 quid, yeah? I said, well, I was going to charge you, you know, 120, if I'm honest, because it's Sunday morning. Didn't really want to know, who wants to go out on a Sunday morning? And I said, so I was going to charge you the 120. You know, I've glued the timber back, I've filled it all, got all the lock working again. And he went, well, I've only got 100 quid. So I said, well, you was told between 100 and 120. So really, you should have, you know, he said, oh, I went to the bank, I got 100 quid. I said, well, you should have got 120 then, shouldn't you? Really? Anyway, me being me, I've taken the 100 quid and thank you. Yeah, thanks, mate. Thanks for that. Thanks for pulling my pants down. Anyway, I'm going back home now. I've only been out, not even an hour actually. It's literally just turned 11 o'clock, so that ain't bad. I shouldn't moan. I love a moan. Right, I might not be going out again today, who knows. So thanks for watching if I don't get out, and I'll probably roll this onto another video actually. So the end for now. We're back out, back on the road. I just had a call from a guy in Brighton. He's locked out of his house. He's got a UPVC door, and he said that the key's just spinning, so it sounds like he's got either a 40 cylinder or a 40 gearbox. So we need to go and gain entry and yeah, see what's going on there. Should be an interesting one. Bless him, that wasn't it wasn't anything broke. He left his key on the inside of the Euro cylinder, so he'd left the key on the inside and shut the door. So when he was putting the key on the outside, it wasn't, because the key on the inside wasn't completely straight, it wasn't pushing that one out to enable the front to work. So yeah, I just had to use the letterbox tool and get him in. Really, there was nothing wrong with the cylinder, nothing wrong with the gearbox, it was all fine. So he was well chuffed, obviously, because that saved him a massive chunk of money. But I wish I could show you guys these kind of jobs, because they are, you know, they're interesting, but I'm just not, yeah, I can't get involved in showing people how I do it, because it's not right, in my opinion, anyway. Right, thanks guys. It is now, what's the, 1:15 on a Sunday afternoon, so see if anything else comes in. I'm gonna probably, well, I am gonna watch Liverpool on later. Liverpool football is my team, Liverpool Football Club, and they're playing Tottenham, and that's at 4:30. So if anything comes in between now and then, I'll do it. But yeah, I really want to watch the football. Although a lot of games have been getting cancelled lately due to COVID. I know that only 1 out of about 6 games got played yesterday because of COVID outbreaks and stuff like that. So hopefully the Liverpool game will still go ahead. Come on, you Reds. Happy Monday, everyone. What a glorious day. We're on our way to East Grinstead. We're going to go and fit a night latch. I think it's just going to be, customer just wants a standard night latch. I am going to try and recommend that they go for a anti-slip, but they might not want to pay the extra money. So right, let's get there and get it done. Right, there you go guys, little night latch fitted. Thought I'd bring you through this little village, it's lovely. All I've got left to do today at the moment is I ordered some window keys for a customer that I did some work for a couple of weeks ago, so I've just got to drop them off and drop some more keys off. You might have seen the video that I did for the orthodontist where they wanted some extra keys, so I've just got to drop them off. And that's it for today. So unless anything else comes in, which you never know obviously in this game, but yeah, I might see you later, I might not.